How many weeks until 2024? Woo! 60. Friends, welcome back to the road to 1 million. You probably heard me sing that before, where we see if I can get my blog sites to 1 million monthly page views, and as you just saw, in 60 weeks. Can we do it? I sure hope so. We're getting really close to approaching the year point, so let's see. Let's see what we can do here. Pictures, as always, of puppies to make you happy. That's the previous dog. I think I told you guys last time that dog passed away. We got a new dog. This is the new dog. I added some pictures. Oh no, his face is cut off. That's his face there. That's Bo. Bo likes to watch the sunsets. This is my wife. Bo is taking me over. Apparently he's wedging himself right between my wife and I. Bo, watch out, buddy. Coming for you. All right, so we got the 5 sites. You guys know about the 5 sites. If you are following along on this journey, you know that we've got 2 that I'm building in public that you have seen, brooksconkle.com, themobilerundown.com. You can go to those websites. You can look at them. You can check them out. You can see what I'm doing. Then we've got 3 more currently, Bobo Cheeto, Mamacita, and Cheers to That. 6th site, I alluded to this last time. Yes, there is a sixth, so hard to say that, sixth site coming. We are in the process of building that site out. We are in the process of creating content for that site. It's going to have its own case study. There's a video that I've created talking about that site and how I got the domain from Otis Global. It's an aged domain. Whew, that's going to be a big project, but I'm excited about it, and it's related to brooksconkle.com. The content it's kind of in that realm, so I think it's going to be easier to coincide and create content for both of those sites at one time. So we're going to find out, where did I get on this path to 1 million monthly page views? Where did we make it to? Well, let's start going through the sites. Let's find out. Bobo Cheeto here. All right, Bobo Cheeto. Let's see, what do we have here? This is the previous 6 months. This is last time. So if you look up here in the left corner, you can see the total clicks. So 879, and that's from 675, where I took the measurement last month. So we're obviously moving in the right direction for that one. Mamacita, so previous 6 months was 236. So 306, so that's a positive move as well. I'll take it. Site Cheers to That. So 1.51K, then 2.43K. So increase there as well. It had kind of a big spike. It's kind of fallen back off, but still it is moving in the right direction. All right, next up, Mobile Rundown. So 50.4K. Oh, I must have showed let's see. Did I have the previous ones? 50.4K. Okay, so I left the last slide in there as well. So this was the previous 6 months, 50.4K, the 51K, and then so the taking the snapshot just recently, the last 6 months was 54.2K. So it's just kind of staying steady. But what's cool is that we're creating a lot of great content for the Mobile Rundown, and that is very exciting. So we had 11 articles published, 21 last month. So two months ago we had 11 articles published. Sorry, that I should kind of correct this. 21 last month. That's our biggest month yet for publishing content on the Mobile Rundown. Every time I think we're getting full of content, like I don't know if we can write more, we keep finding other great stuff to write. The income on this one was pretty constant. So let's see, I think this is the previous. So August, September, so 375, 383, 383, 381. So we're down $1 or whatever. So it's basically the same. I like that. I'm reinvesting 100% of everything from this website back into this website. This is the website that if you go to it, it's more than just a content website. We actually have a publication that we're in the middle of producing right now. We've done like a pitch competition, children's business fair for kiddos in our area. So, but like just in the last year, we've gotten really serious about cranking out content. All right, Brooks Conkle, 17 new articles published. Last month, we had 11. So 2 months ago was 17, 11 last month. Actually, I'm going to pause. I'm going to confirm this real quick. Yep, so went and checked, so was able to confirm that. So yes, 17 is what we published in October, and 11 was from the previous month. So definitely a good clip here on Brooks Conkle. Excited about that for sure. What do we have here? So the last 6 months, So this is the previous 331K, and then you can see, so the most recent snapshot is 317K. So if you'll look, you'll still see that we're measuring this big dip here, but towards the end, you'll see what you'll probably know what I'm starting to get excited about here is the fact that since about towards the end of August or right at the beginning of September, we've started to see kind of a meandering increase. Excited to get this one back to where it was and then well beyond, given the hard work that the team's putting in and the amount of content that we're putting in. July, $2,300, August, $2,100, September, $2,700. So now we're talking. So $2,700, October, 28. So $2,891 is the income there. So here's the previous 6 months of income for brooksconkle.com. Don't forget, I'll get to the stats later on the website, but we've got $5,822.61. So less than last month. Last month had a big sponsorship, but it's increasing from those previous 2 months before. This time I did a little better job here, so I gave you a little bit of a breakdown, whereas before, sorry, I had not done that. But so 2.8K, these are ballparks. 2.8K ad revenue, 1.6 affiliate, 1.3 in sponsorship / other income or whatever, promotional type deals. So that's the breakdown of last month. So rainbows and unicorns. I love this part. So the good and the bad, right? The good is site redesign is just about done, and that is hopefully going to also speed up the website because we're adjusting the theme. Traffic increase, excited about that one. We've got the new site that's coming up. I got a new dog. Things are good. So what about me getting punched in the face? Well, that site redesign takes a lot of work and effort. The new site takes a lot of work. And the new dog, he's also a devil dog. My wife got the dog. Love the dog, but he's tough. He is not potty trained like we thought he was when we rescued him. So we are teaching him lots. All right. So where do we go with the traffic? What do we got? So last month, when I showed you guys the numbers, we had 117,773. So where do we go this month? We got to 140,905. So 140,905 page views. That's nuts. I should be pumped. I'm pretty pumped about that. It's like a 20% increase. Ran the numbers there. A 20% increase on a monthly basis is really great. I am excited to put this together for you every month. It does take a lot of work, but it doesn't matter. It's keeping me accountable on this journey on the road to 1 million and tracking. Otherwise, if I'm not tracking all this data, how can I measure results, right? So excited to see you guys on the next one. If you haven't seen what the heck is this, you can start from the beginning and kind of watch the monthly trajectory. I'll put that up next. See ya!